Have you ever tried playing a video and VLC just stops responding? Don't worry, I'll show you a quick fix. Step 1. Press your Start button to search for Task Manager and open or simply right-click your taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, under Processes, scroll down and find VLC. Right-click on VLC and click on End Task. Now go back and try playing the video again. It should work perfectly. That's how you fix VLC not responding. Drop a like if it worked for you, and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes.